Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Get ready to dive headfirst into the exciting world of crypto passive income with our latest video, how to make crypto passive income with $1,000. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to explore a realm filled with lucrative opportunities, valuable insights, and a dash of crypto wisdom. But first, a quick disclaimer. This instructional video is not financial advice, but it's packed with 6 easy ways to help you unlock the potential of making passive income with your $1,000 crypto investment. So let's set sail on this crypto income journey. Passive income with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency offers a distinctive way for people worldwide to engage in a decentralized financial system, which includes the opportunity to generate passive income. While it may resemble traditional banking or lending, there are some essential differences and risks to understand. Cryptocurrency provides opportunities for individuals to earn interest through decentralized finance systems. It's accessible to anyone globally as long as they have the necessary accounts or technical know-how. However, it's crucial to recognize that platforms for crypto lending and earning come with their own set of risks, and they lack government insurance or backing. Have no fear, intrepid crypto enthusiasts. We're here to arm you with the insights and tactics to venture into the realm of crypto passive income with assurance. If you're eager to embark on this journey, show your enthusiasm by clicking that like button below, and let's dive right in. Number 6. SushiSwap and Polygon. Now, let's talk about another protocol you can use with Polygon, SushiSwap. What's cool is that SushiSwap has a $30 million liquidity rewards program in collaboration with Polygon. This means that when you lend out your tokens here, you not only earn passive income, but also get some extra Matic tokens, Polygon's native currency. In the SushiSwap app, you'll find various markets, and on the Polygon network, we're looking at the US Dollar Tether, USDT market. You can earn an impressive 4.18% supply APR on your tokens, and it's super easy to deposit them if you got some in your wallet. Just approve the transaction and you're on your way to earning that annual percentage rate, or commonly known as APR. Using SushiSwap on Polygon feels like you're in a crypto amusement park. You jump on the passive income roller coaster and enjoy the thrilling twists and turns, all while collecting Matic tokens. Number 5. Curve and Polygon. If you're looking to earn some passive income, you can explore a platform called Curve, which operates on Ethereum but offers the option to switch to Polygon for lower transaction fees. Curve allows you to deposit stable coins like USDT, USDC, or DAI, and in return, you'll earn a base annual interest rate plus additional rewards in Matic tokens. To get started, you become a liquidity provider by depositing your tokens into the platform. When you want to take your funds out, you can simply initiate a withdrawal. Just keep in mind that there are risks involved, so it's essential to be aware of them. The Curve also provides real-time information about your liquidity and earnings on the platform, making it relatively straightforward to monitor your investments. Using Curve to manage your assets is like mastering a DJ's turntable. You can adjust your portfolio's beats and remix your earnings, all while enjoying the real-time performance data as your financial crowd dances to the crypto tunes. Number 4. Crypto coins for passive income. Now, let's talk about the coins you might want to use on these platforms. First up is US Dollar Tether, or USDT, the most widely accepted stablecoin among the platforms we're exploring, including RV, Curve, and SushiSwap. It offers competitive rates and is a reliable choice, but it's not the only stablecoin option. You can also consider US dollar coin or USDC, another stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Stablecoins are crucial here because they provide stability to your investments. Additionally, there's the Polygon or Matic token, currently ranking 16th by market capitalization. Since we're working with the Polygon blockchain, using Matic can yield high rewards and incentives on top of the passive income and yields you're already earning. These extra incentives can boost your overall earnings, making it an attractive choice for maximizing your passive income potential. Using Matic on the Polygon blockchain is akin to catching a wave in the crypto ocean. You ride the Matic wave to higher rewards, and the blockchain's incentives are like the wind in your sails, propelling you forward. When it comes to making crypto passive income with $1,000, one of the fundamental steps is diligent transaction tracking. Think of yourself as a crypto detective. Much like the legendary Sherlock Holmes, it's crucial to record every crypto move you make meticulously, whether it's buying, selling, trading, or even receiving crypto gifts. But don't worry, we've got your back with some fantastic tools and tips to simplify this process. If you're eager to explore more ways to keep a log of your crypto adventures, drop a comment below and give that like button a friendly tap. Number 3, using your yield. Now that we're familiar with the platforms for lending stablecoins with relatively low risk and earning rewards, let's explore another strategy to boost our returns: reinvesting those rewards into different cryptocurrencies. For instance, using platforms like AAVE, we receive Matic tokens as rewards, which can be roughly 5.88% of our investment. With Curve Finance, the reward in Matic tokens goes even higher, nearly 17%. We can take these extra tokens and put them to work by investing further, essentially compounding our interest. On the Polygon blockchain, you have decentralized exchanges like SushiSwap that allow you to swap your tokens easily. If you feel that investing directly in Matic tokens is too risky, you can swap them for assets like Wrap Bitcoin, WBTC, which mirrors Bitcoin's price. This way, you're not only earning passive income and rewards from stablecoins, but also diversifying your portfolio and managing risk while growing your investments. It's a strategy that gives you more control over your financial growth and risk tolerance. Reinvesting rewards is like turning the volume up on your crypto jukebox. As you add more tokens to your playlist, you create a harmonious blend of assets, each contributing to your financial symphony. Number 2, Polygon Matic. Now, let's explore into using Polygon, a low-cost blockchain that builds on Ethereum's smart contracts. Polygon acts as a framework for connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. What makes it fantastic is its ability to harness Ethereum's DeFi or decentralized finance capabilities, with Ethereum being the largest player, locking in nearly $60 billion in value with its DeFi protocols. Among these protocols, Maker and Curve stand out, and they are the ones we'll be using. However, we won't be operating on Ethereum directly. Instead, we'll be using the Polygon blockchain, which offers virtually feeless transactions. To get started with Polygon, you'll need a wallet. For instance, we'll use MetaMask. You'll also need to transfer your Ethereum-based tokens on the Polygon blockchain. Process made easy with the Polygon bridge. Once your setup is complete, you'll be all set to utilize your funds within DeFi protocols to start earning passive income. Utilizing Polygon for DeFi is like stepping into a magical wardrobe that transports you from a crowded high-fee crypto world like Ethereum to a tranquil, feeless forest like Polygon. Here, you're free to explore and grow your assets without the hassle of expensive transactions. But hey, let's pause for a moment and celebrate your remarkable enthusiasm and hunger for knowledge. If you've enjoyed this exciting dive into the realm of making crypto passive income with $1,000, please do us a favor and give that like button a friendly tap. And if you're eager to embark on more crypto adventures and explore the world of passive income, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us as we strive to deliver even more valuable content and continue this incredible journey together. Number 1, AAVE and Polygon. Sure, let's take a plunge into our last stop for passive income, AAVE. It's like visiting a fantastic money-making island. And what's cool is that even though AAVE is originally based on Ethereum, thanks to Polygon, we can get there with much cheaper travel fees. So, picture this. You stroll into the AAVE app and it's like entering a marketplace where you can lend your US Dollar Tether. Guess what? You're making an annual interest rate of 2.91% just by lending it out. But hold on, there's a sweet bonus in the mix. You'll spot another number, the APR, but this time it's in Matic tokens, the native currency of Polygon. Currently, it's at 5.87%. And here's the scoop. Polygon really wants you on board, so they've tossed in $40 million liquidity mining program, teaming up with AAVE. When you lend your USDT on AAVE within the Polygon world, you not only enjoy that nearly 3% APY, but you also snag some extra Matic tokens, currently at 5.86%. These Matic tokens are like the icing on your passive income cake, boosting your overall earnings. To get started, make sure you're sailing on the Polygon network using your MetaMask wallet. Toss your funds into AAVE and watch those rewards stack up. It's like cruising to a wealthy town with a discounted ticket. Oh man, what an amazing journey it has been, my fellow crypto enthusiasts. From grasping the fundamentals of making crypto passive income to exploring advanced strategies, we've delved into it all. Keep in mind that by putting these insights into action, you'll be on your way to building crypto wealth and achieving financial success. Before we conclude, we have one final request for you, our fantastic audience. If you've enjoyed this exploration into the world of making crypto passive income with $1,000, please give that like button a good tap and consider subscribing to our channel. Additionally, remember to share your incredible insights on passive income strategies or any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos by leaving a comment below. Your support is the driving force behind everything we do as we aim to deliver even more valuable content and continue this amazing journey together.